Hi guys, it's Jesus 2020 positive and wrong. Back here again, and today we got this. It's a Dyson Big Ball multi-floor 2. Let's take a look at the video real quick. So, it says it's a multi-floor 2, and it's one of the newer ones, which if you knock it over, it will basically like tip back up. So say somebody's iPad just like toppled over, it would like topple back up, which I think is a really cool feature. And basically the reason why we got this is we had a Dyson DC40 before, you guys might remember, but it malfunctioned, and basically my parents didn't like Dyson back then. So yeah. But we're giving Dyson another chance, and hopefully this newer design of Dyson will be better than what we've had before. As you can see, it's on its side here, the box is. As you can see, it's got self-adjust to clean every floor type. Combination tool. Your stair tool. Pivots for less effort. Captures microscopic dust. Horizontally drives out the dirt. So you have to touch the dirt. Well, I'm guessing you sometimes would have to, but this is hopefully going to be better than our DC40. So there's the other side of the box there. So yeah, I need to drive out the dirt. Pneumatic cleaner head self-adjusts to clean every floor type. This Dyson actually looks better than what DC40 was. So yeah. And also, first of all, I was not better on Xpelair Taurus T12. Firstly, people that haven't seen my Xpelair Taurus T12 in a while, well, I'll give you guys a little update on it. So we had to do some. So ever since I first got the Xpelair Taurus T12, I had to put a new plug on for my own safety. This is a new plug I fitted to it. It's actually a rubber nylon plug, but like the rubber's gone hard and turned into plastic due to age. And yeah, we basically fitted this because the original plug for it was a plastic plug and it was in very bad shape. You see, this is the original plug for it. So it's a old plastic plug. And yes, unlike a modern pub voice plug, you can actually take this one apart, because you can see here. So yeah, it now has a 13-amp fuse in it as well. Basically, my grandparents said that that's my OT lift button falling down there. Because my grandparents basically said that a 3-amp would not be allowed on this particular appliance. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you the fan running now. Plug it in. And here is low. Medium. And high. Is off. So yeah, that was a quick update on my Xpelair Taurus T12. So yeah, we've done some like repairs and stuff since we got it. It needed some work doing on this fan, but it's still a good fan nonetheless. And it's a great collection piece. It's my collection. So that's what I put on my Xpelair Taurus T12 and my new Dyson big ball vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching and bye.